Now 38R question. A solid is made by placing a cone on a top. Cone is on top, base is a cylinder. Okay, here cylinder, top cone is there. Drilling out hemisphere from the other base shown in the figure. Okay, here hemisphere is there. This is drilling out. It is removed. The radii of cylinder, cone, hemisphere. This cone, cylinder, hemisphere, 3 radius is equal. Slant height, yes, slant height, cone slant height L is equal to 3.5 and curved surface area of cone CSA is 23.1. okay, next, if the height of the cylinder is 14, find the total volume of the solid. Total volume of the solid we will find. Okay, how you will find the volume of cone? Next, volume of cylinder, and this removed. So minus volume of hemisphere. Volume of cone plus volume of cylinder minus volume of this hemisphere means we will get a total volume of a solid you will get. Okay, here what given? Carefully listen. Okay, see here. Yes, slant height of a cone given. What is the slant height of a cone? 3.5. So slant height means what? L is equal to 3.5. Okay, this is a cone slant height 3.5. Next, height of the cylinder is 14 given. Next, one more, here we don't know the radius. Okay, we don't know the height of the cone also. We don't know the radius. First, we will find the radius. Radius finding, what is the chances there? E is given the curved surface area of the cone. How much given? 23.1. Using that one, first we will find the radius. These 3 radius equal, but radius is not given. First we will find the radius. Radius finding chance, what is there? Curved surface area of a cone is 23.1. Okay, right here. Curved surface area of a cone is equal to 23.1. Cone formula, what the curved surface area of a cone? Pi r L is equal to 23.1. Okay, what we know we will apply. Pi value is the 22/7. Next, radius don't know. L is equal to 3.5. Cone slant height is a 3.5 is equal to 23.1. Okay, first we will find the radius. Carefully listen. Radius is equal to 23.1. This one reciprocal 7/22. After is equal to into is a divider. Divide is a into. Next, it is a into. After is equal to it's become a divider 3.5. Okay. Now carefully listen. First digit after point, here first digit after point cancel. What is remain? Write it. R is equal to 231 into 7 divided by 335 into 22. Okay, point is gone. Now cancel chance is there. See here. 7 1 is 7, 7 5 is 35. Okay. Next, here 11 we will cancel. 11 2 is 22. 11 2 is 22. 1 remain. 11 1 is 11. So R is equal to 21 by 5 to the 10. So R is equal to what? 1 digit after point. So R is equal to 2.1 centimeter. Now you got radius. What is the radius? This radius is 2.1. Okay, cone radius, cylinder radius and hemisphere radius 3 are equal. Radius you got. But here we don't know the height. First we will find the height. Height of the cone we don't know. Height of the cylinder is 14. But height of the cone don't know. First we will find the height of the cone. How you will find height of the cone? Formula is there. Okay. Now carefully listen. What is the formula? L square is equal to H square plus R square. Okay. What is the formula is there? L square is equal to H square plus R square. Okay. L length, L is equal to L we know. Okay, now here you want height. Okay, height we will keep here, remaining we will send that side. Okay, here you know the radius, you don't know, you know the L. R also you know. R is equal to, just now you got 2.1. Okay, here we will find the height. Height we will find. Height don't know. Height finding formula, right? L square is equal to H square plus R square. H you want H square is equal to, here what? L square. Take this side minus R square. Now you apply. Length, L means slant height. Slant height how much is there? 3.5. 3.5 whole square. Minus radius 2.1 whole square. Okay. So here calculations mode is there. More is there. Already I did 3.5 whole square. 3.5 into 3.5 you will get 12.25. 12.25. Minus 2.1 into 2.1 4.41. is equal to H square. Okay. This 2 minus means you will get 7.25. 7.84 is equal to h square. Okay, reverse we will write h square is equal to 7.84. Okay, now we will take a root. H is equal to 7.84 root. Okay, so h is equal to, you will get 2.8 centimeter. This is the height. Okay, in this question more calculations are there. So here height what? 2.8. Okay, L is the 3.5, radius is the 2.1, and height is the 2.8. Height is equal to 2.8. About cone, this is all about cone. Okay, next, carefully listen. Now we will find what we will find. Our final answer, value, total volume of the solid we will find. Okay, everything we know now here. Now we will find total volume of the solid. Total volume of the solid is equal to, what is the formula is there? Volume of cone, see here, volume of cone plus volume of cylinder, this is drilled out, so minus volume of hemisphere we will write. Okay, now see volume of the cone, formula what? 1 by 3 pi r square h, 1 by 3 pi r square h. Volume of the cylinder, pi r square h, minus volume of the hemisphere, 2 by 3 pi r cube. This simplified means you will get the answer. Okay, in this one anything common chance is there. See, pi r square, pi r square, pi r square. So now we will take a common. What is the common? Pi r square common. Here pi r square means what is remain? 1 by 3 h remain. Plus here pi r square common means h remain. Minus here pi r square common means 2 by 3 r remain. Okay, now we will apply the values. Okay, now carefully listen. Pi value is the 22 by 7 into 3 radius equal. This radius equal. What is the radius is there? 2.1. Radius is the 2.1. Right here radius 2.1 into 2.1. Next 1 by 3. This is a cone. Cone height. Height is the 2.8. Cone height how much? 2.8. So 1 by 3 into 2.8. So into 2.8. It is a cone. First one is the cone. Plus cylinder height. Cylinder height is the 14. Second one is a cylinder. Cylinder height is the 14. Minus 2 by 3. 2 by 3 into radius 2.1. Okay. Now this simplified means you will get answer. See here once again. Pi value, radius 2 times 1 by 3. Height of the cone is 2.8. This is the cylinder height 14. 2 by 3 radius 2.1. This one we will simplify. Now see here. Any cancel chances is there? 7 ones are 7. 7 threes are 21. 0.3. Here anything cancel? 3 ones are 3. 3 sevens are. So here 0.7. What part remain? We will write here. Here remain 22 into 0.3 into 2.1. Here see here 1 into 28 to 2.8 by 3 plus 14 minus 2 into 0.7. It is a 1.4. Okay. Now see here calculations more is there. See here 22 into 0.3 into 2.1 means what you will get answer? You will get answer 13.86. This 3 simplified means you will get 13.86. Next 2.8 divided by 3. 2.8 divided by 3 means carefully see here. 2.8 divided by 3 means you will get 0.9333 will get. So I will take only 2 digits, 0.93. I will take this one simplified means we will get 0.93. Okay, 9333 will get. So I am taking 0.93 plus 14 minus 1.4. Okay. Now see here, this 2 added means what you will get? 14.93. 13.86. Okay, this 2 added means what you will get? 14.93 minus 1.4. Okay, now this 2 minus did means now see here finally 13.86 into this 2 minus means you will get 13.53. 13.53. More calculations are there. Video will be lengthy. Okay, so now our final answer what is there? 187.5 5258 centimeter. It is a volume Q. So approximately 3 digits we are taking, means here 187.525 is there. So next number you take approximately 187.53 centimeter cube. This is the approximate answer. Okay, here more calculations are there. This is the last question of preparatory one paper. Practice properly. Again, you have any doubt, also comment it and subscribe my channel.